What's up guys? Ian here at MAPerformance. In the front seat today of John's car. This is a 2008 plus STI?
Yes.
Hatchback. It's got a hatch on the back. That's why they call them hatchback. All right, so today we're gonna try a little fun toy that we just got here. The Dragy performance monitoring system. Apparently this is kind of like a modern day G-Tech. Remember the G-Techs? Test your quarter mile and stuff like that. Well, that's basically what this does. But as you can see here, we'll open it up a little bit quick. It's pretty tiny. It's like 3 inch by 1 inch. And essentially it's just this little piece here that connects via Bluetooth to your phone. And then there's a little mount. They have these magnetic mounts here, which it's stuck magnetically. So you can just mount this on the dash or anywhere that's like a level, flat surface. And then that the little Dragy guy will just stick right to it. But anyways, we figured today we would just try it out. So as we mentioned, we're in John's STI. It's a bolt-on car. It's got parts that are bolted onto it. We're gonna go have some fun and see if this thing works, to see how easy it is. So yeah, essentially this thing's gonna monitor your quarter mile time, your 0 to 60 time, your 1/8 mile time, your 60 to 130, I think they have an option for that as well. And then they do up to a 1/2 mile for distance. So, and they claim that it's accurate between 1/100th of a second, which is even shorter than a human hair. Oh, and then for this test, us three have been privileged to be flown out to Mexico, courtesy of MAP. Thanks, guys. All right, so now that we got it mounted, we're just gonna kind of go through the setup here. So once you've downloaded the Dragy app on your mobile device, we'll just go ahead and open it up here. And then you'll see on the bottom here, through Eric's crack, that there's a couple different tabs under the bottom. So you can create your own profile. He's got his stupid Chrysler 300 up there on top. You can put like your pictures of your car, the mods in your car if you want to put that in there. It shares all of your times online. There's even like a leaderboard here, for example, in all these different categories of vehicles. There's leaderboards for 0 to 60 times, quarter mile times, etc. So you can upload your times, your best times if you want, into the leaderboard field, just kind of slick. Other than that, to actually use it, once it's on, app's open, you're simply gonna wanna go to go, and then we're gonna hit the connect button, and it's doing its thing. There we go. Eric, it's sending satellite data to Dragy. Dragy's a cute name. It's like a little robotic. I'm Dragy. All right, and that's it. So, to note, once you're at this position, the second the car starts moving, it's gonna start going. So you kind of have to be prepared. There's a few times we went driving around and it just immediately the car starts moving, it recognizes it. So if you really want to get a good solid time, just make sure that you are ready to go, stopped, ready to launch essentially. What we've kind of found out during playing with it, it'll kind of keep going after it's done a quarter mile run and then a 1/2 mile run, it'll kind of reset itself. Or oftentimes we found out if you want to do another run and just clear it out, for us, it helped to just go back to a different tab quick and then go back to go, and then it resets everything. Obviously, there is a reset button right in the middle here, which you could also hit that, but for some reason when we were playing around with this, it was more consistent if we just closed out of this tab and went back. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to work or not, but that's just what we found. So I guess let's go try it out. All right, here we go. Hold on. I guess that worked.
Did it register?
Yeah. 3.59. Ready when you are, round 2. I just remembered that whole experience and it just makes you laugh. All right guys, so we're back now after that run, which was fun by the way. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. So we've got, you can even break everything down. I'll show you quick here. Here's a 0 to 60 run. I don't know if you can see that, Eric. It actually even breaks down the 0 to 40, 0 to 50, and 0 to 60. So we ended up at 3.39, which is pretty slick. You know what we'll do? So let's do this. If you comment below and guess the quarter mile time that John's STI ran down to 100th of a second, we'll give you a Dragy for free. That's right, boys and girls. So comment below. What do you think John's STI ran? So overall, my impressions of the Dragy is actually pretty sweet. This is super fun. I am considering even just buying one myself because I want to know what it does in my car. And I mean, the fact that it's on your phone and it's just a magnet, you can bring it from car to car to car, which is pretty sweet. They're fairly cheap. They're like 149 bucks. So it's not even that bad. Also, they work with Android and iOS systems, so everyone's covered. And then also does both metric and SAE. So basically this will cover you in whatever region you may be in. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions on the Dragy, comment below or hit us up. Thanks, see you later. Catch you later, bro.